Okay, I'm heading back to my car. It is too hot, but came across something right here. So, oh, I'm in the shade though. Oh man, this kind of feels nice. Yeah, I think it's loud. It's about right there. I mean, I'm not going to keep on bitching, but golly, it's the middle of October. I'm out here getting a sunburn. I can feel it on my shoulders. And my wife texted me a minute ago, and I was trying to text her back, and the sweat coming off my forehead was making my phone type some crazy stuff. I hit it with the pinpointer for a little bit, for a second. Man, nothing hollered at me from the surface. So let's see. I mean, it looks like a pretty good tone. Should be able to see that. Okay, this is seriously gonna be the last thing I get today. We know what's in here. We know it's right. Oh, I think I see it right there. Yep, it's a dime. It's a gotta get my loot kind of dime. I don't know, you can see the sweat dripping off my nose. It's ridiculous. Oh man. 1998. Looked like a 4 there for a second. I think I found another penny earlier, but I wasn't recording. Man, this shape was pretty good though, but I think still saying I don't know, still ringing something kind of high over it on this side. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to try too hard. And this is the only park I've actually seen a fellow detectorist at. And he's saying the soccer fields, I was just on some at a different set. He found 2 14-karat rings, I think, or some kind of gold jewelry. I am covered in, I am festooned with stickers. GoPro, stop recording.